Okay, so let's see. We'll start off with a substitution. We'll say Fn is some exponential power Kn, and our equation is Fn plus 2 equals Fn plus 1 plus Fn. So that would be E k n plus 2 equals E k n plus 1 plus E k n. So let's see, that would be E k n E 2k minus E k n E k minus E k n equals 0. So E k n can be taken out. So that's E k squared minus E k minus 1 equals 0. So quadratic formula, E k equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what happens is when there's two solutions, and you can check this for yourself, but a linear sum of both solutions is also a solution. So you can say Fn is some multiple of the first solution and then some multiple of the second solution. Or in other words, I don't have to use the E anymore because EK is this. So A times the first solution, power n, because this is like EK power n, so power n here, plus B times the second solution. Okay, we can figure out the A and B. F1 is A 1 plus root 5 over 2 plus B over 1 minus root 5 over 2. So that would be A plus A root 5 plus B minus B root 5 all over 2. That's supposed to equal 1. So it looks like, or we could say that should equal 2. So A plus B plus A minus B root 5 equals 2. You can sub in the other values to check, but it's looking like to me that A should equal B should equal 1 because that would match that up nicely. So I believe it's going to be Fn equals 1 plus root 5 over 2 power n no plus no mine no, I guess that's not going to work. Okay, we'll have to sub in other values then. All right, let's see this. A plus root 5. No, hang on. 1 plus root 5a plus 1 minus root 5b equals 2. Okay, let's put in the second one. F2 should be 1. So that's A 1 plus root 5 over 2 squared plus B 1 minus root 5 over 2 squared equals 1. So if I multiply by 4, I get a 1 plus root 5 squared plus b 1 minus root 5 squared equals 4. Let's see, can we clean up a little bit? 1 plus root 5 squared. So we could say a 6 plus 2 root 5 plus b 6 minus 2 root 5, that's equal to 4. So we have this equation of a and b and this equation of a and b. Let's see if we can solve that. A, B. Okay, so if you solve those two systems, oh, it's going to be a bit messy to solve. A and B will be negative of each other. Solve alpha and beta. It's a linear system. And you'll get, hang on, I'm using my calculator here. I'm afraid I'll be a little bit lazy. 1 plus root 5, 1 minus root 5, 2. 6 plus 2 root 5, 6 minus 2 root 5, 4. So I get a is 1 over root 5 and b equals minus 1 over root 5. Okay, so I'll have f of n is a 1 over root 5, 1 plus root 5 over 2 power n minus 1 over root 5, 1 minus root 5 over 2 power n. So cleaning that up a little bit, there's a 2 power n and a root 5 in common. So that'll be 1 over, take out the 2 power n and the root 5. And I'd be left with 1 plus root 5 power n minus 1 minus root 5 power n. Divided by that. Yeah. So that's correct. So that's kind of a tricky question. And I kind of cheated a little bit because I didn't show you all the steps in solving these two linear equations because you're just dealing with surds and juggling around a lot. I could do that as a second video if anyone wanted to see it, but I kind of imagine that's not the part people are interested in.